Good morning, dear students. Welcome to all of you in online classes of Bal Sadhana Senior Secondary School, Toddi Guddagorji. And today we will read the remaining question of exercise 3.1. And let's start the question number 5th of exercise 3.1. Question number 5. Construct a 2 by 2 matrix A is equal to Aij. A is equal to Aij matrix 2 by 2 in which element are given by Aij is equal to Aij is equal to 2i minus j by 3i plus j. Find the matrix of A. Order of matrix A 2 by 2. Let matrix A is equal to A11, A12. Order of matrix A is equal to 2 by 2. A21, A22. 2 by 2. Okay. Find the value of matrix A given by Aij is equal to 2i minus j upon 3i plus j is equal to Aij 2 by 2. It means Aij is equal to A11, Aij equal to A12, Aij equal to A21, Aij equal to A22. So A11 is equal to I equal to 1, j equal to 1, I equal to 1, j equal to 1. According to question, 2 into 1 minus 1 by 3 into 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 into 1, 2 minus 1, 1 by 3 into 1, 3 plus 1, 4, 1 by 4. A12 is equal to I equal to 1, j equal to 2. I 2 into 1 minus 2 by 3 into 1 minus plus 2 is equal to 2 into 1, 2, 2 minus 2, 0, 0 by something, 0. And 8 to 1 is equal to I equal to 2, j equal to 1. According to question, 2 into 2 minus 1 by 3 into 2 plus 1 is equal to 2 to 4 minus 1 by 3 into 2 6 plus 1 7. It means 3 by 7. 8 to 2 is equal to I equal to 2, j equal to 2. According to question, 2 into 2 minus 2 by 3 into 2 plus 2 is equal to 2 to 4, 4 minus 2, 2 by 3 into 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8 is equal to 1 by 4. Hence, A is equal to A11 is equal to 1 by 4, A12 is equal to 0, A21 is equal to 3 by 7, 1 by 4. That is the answer. Next question 6th. Question number 6. Construct a 2 by 3. Construct a matrix A is equal to Aij of order 2 by 3 in which element are Aij is equal to 1 by 2 mod 2i minus 3j. Okay, let order of matrix A 2 by 3. let A is equal to Aij order 2 by 3 is equal to 2 row and 3 columns A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, 2 by 3. So Aij is equal to 1 by 2, 2i minus 3j. A11 is equal to I equal to 1, j equal to 1. It means 1 by 2, 2 into 1, 2, minus 3 into 1, 3 is equal to 1 by 2. A12 is equal to I equal to 1, j equal to 2, 1 by 2, I equal to 1, j equal to 2. 2 into 2, 2, minus 2, 3 into 2, 6, minus 4 by 2, 4 by 2, it means 2. A13 is equal to 1 by 2, I equal to 1, j equal to 3, 2, minus 3 into 3, 9 is equal to 2 minus 9, 7, 7 by 2. And A21 is equal to I equal to 2, j equal to 1. 1 by 2, 2, 2, 4, minus 3 is equal to 1 by 2. 822 is equal to 1 by 2 into 2, 2, 4, minus 3 into 2, 6 is equal to minus 2 by 2 is equal to 1. 823 is equal to 1 by 2 into 2, 2, 4, minus 3 into 3, 9. It means 5 by 2. Hence, A is equal to Aij, 2 by 3 is equal to 1 by 2, 2, 7 by 2, 1 by 2, 1, 5 by 2, 2 by 3. That is the answer. Okay. Next question. Question number 8. If 2x 3x plus y minus x plus z 3y minus 2p is equal to 4, 5 minus 4 minus 3. Then find the value of x, y, z and p. X, y, z and p. Okay. Matrix A equal matrix B. Condition. Properties of matrix. Equality of two matrix. Equality of two matrix. A is equal to B. It means element first, element first. 2x is equal to 4. It means x is equal to 2. And 3x plus y is equal to 5. X is equal to 2. 3 into 2 plus y is equal to 5 implies y is equal to 3 into 2, 6 minus 1. Again, minus x plus z is equal to minus 4. X is equal to minus 2 plus z is equal to minus 4 implies z equal to minus 2. Next, 3y minus 2p and 3y minus 2p is equal to minus 3. Y equals to minus 1. It means minus 3 minus 2p is equal to minus 3. Minus 2p is equal to minus 3 cancel out is equal to 0. It means p is equal to 0. X equals to plus 2, y equal to minus 1, z equal to minus 2 and p is equal to 0. That is answer x, y, z and p. Okay. Next question. Question number 9. Last question of exercise 3.1. For what value of A, B and C will the matrix A and B are equal, where A is equal to matrix A and matrix B equal. A equal to B. A is equal to A minus 2, 3 to C. 12C, B plus 2, BC. And B is equal to B, C, 6, 6B, A, 3B. Matrix A and matrix B are equal according to question. Matrix A is equal to matrix B. Matrix A equal to matrix B. It means equality of two matrix. Equality of two matrix. A minus 2, 3 to C, B plus 2, BC is equal to B, C, 6, 6B, A, 3B. Implies A minus 2 is equal to B. A minus 2 is equal to B. And 3 is equal to C, and C is equal to 3. And 2C is equal to 6, it means C is equal to 3. And 12C is equal to 6B. 12C is equal to 6B. Implies C is equal to 3. It means 12 into 3 is equal to 6 into B. Implies B is equal to 12 into 3 by 6. It means B is equal to 6. Okay. B equal to 6. Implies again A minus 2 is equal to B equal to 6. 6 implies A is equal to 8. Again A, B, C. Complete. A is equal to 8 and B is equal to 6 and C is equal to 3. That is the answer. Okay. Next topic of exercise 3.2. Operation on a matrix. Operation on matrix, 4 types: addition, subtraction, multiplication and scalar number. First, addition. Matrix A and matrix B. If A and B two matrices of the same order, matrix A and matrix B of two matrices of the same order, 2 by 3 and 2 by 3, matrix A 2 by 3, matrix B 2 by 3. Okay, we say that these are compatible for addition and their sum A plus B is the matrix obtained by adding the corresponding element of A and B. Corresponding element matrix A 2, matrix B element minus 1. First 2, matrix B first minus 2. Second element of matrix A 3. Second element of matrix B 4. Third element of matrix A 4. Third element of matrix B is equal to 5. Okay. For example, matrix A is equal to something and matrix B is equal to something. Matrix A and matrix B of the same order 2 by 3 and 2 by 3. Addition A plus B, addition plus, it means addition. A plus B is equal to matrix A plus matrix B. First element of matrix A 2. First element of matrix B minus 1. 2 plus minus 1, it means 1. Okay. 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. It means A plus B is equal to something. Order of matrix A plus B is equal to 2 by 3. Again, addition, if A and B, two matrices of the same order 2 by 3 and 2 by 3. We say that these are compatible for addition and their sum A plus B is the matrix of 10 by adding the corresponding element of matrix A and matrix B. It means first element of matrix A to first element of matrix B minus 1. So A plus B is equal to matrix A plus matrix B. 2 plus minus 1, 1, 3 plus 4, 7, 4 plus 5, 9, 0 plus 2, 2, 1 plus 3, 4, 2 plus 0, it means 2. Okay. Next topic, subtraction. Same addition, subtraction. If A and B are two matrices of the same order, A and B are two matrices of the same order. Matrix A 2 by 2, matrix B 2 by 2. Okay. Then we say that these are compatible for subtraction and their difference A minus B. Difference A minus B, addition A plus B. Okay. Is the matrix of 10 by subtracting the element of B from the corresponding element of A. It means first element of matrix A 2 and first element of matrix B and 2. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. For example, matrix A is equal to 2 by 2, matrix B is equal to 2 by 2. Okay. So A minus B. Difference matrix A and B. A minus B is equal to matrix A minus matrix B. Order same. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 1. 0 minus 5 is equal to minus 5. 4 minus 6 is equal to minus 2. Order of matrix A minus B is equal to 2 by 2. Okay. Addition and subtraction are complete. Next topic, next video. And if you have any doubt, then write your doubt in comment box, and remaining part of this chapter we will discuss in next video. Thank you.